Welcome to this SAP production planning training. Let me first set the scenario for this course. Say, for example, you are an SAP production planning consultant, and some multinational corporation comes to you asking you to manage their SAP production planning implementation. The first thing you would do for this company is to set up that company inside SAP and give it the basic details such as the name, address, and contact information. By doing what is called the creation of a new company in SAP, you begin the process of structuring that company inside SAP, which will then allow you to set up the other aspects of that company, such as the sales, materials management, finance, and of course, the production planning aspect. So, how are we going to set up the company? We're going to be coming up to this search bar. We're going to search SPRO and press enter. We're going to head down to SAP Reference Implementation Guide. Let's click on it. And here you can see there are lots of tabs filled with all the information and settings required to implement SAP into the company. If you look over here, all the important modules are also listed. The sales and distribution module, the materials management module, our financial accounting module. All of these are going to be located here, and everything related to the implementation of SAP is going to be accessed through this guide. So we're going to be starting at the enterprise structure. Let's head down here. Let's come down to definition since we're defining a new company. Let's come down to financial accounting and let's hit define company. Here you can see other IDS users have already defined a company, and this table is going to contain all the information about the companies that are located inside our environment. Let's hit new entries. We're going to define the following identifier, REVC. The company name we're going to be defining as Revolutionary Cars Group. And we don't need to worry about name 2. We're going to be accessing our company by this name only. This is used only if you have an alias for the company. Say you have a company which is called HP, and another alias for that company could be Hewlett Packard, which is the full form of the company. Let's come down to the street. We'll define a street here, say 671 Rev Cars Lane. We'll define the postal code as 90009, location Los Angeles, country, and here you can see there's a drop down menu from which you can select the values for the country. We're going to search US, and if you want to find the country here, you can basically just select any one of these countries. You can see we have United Arab Emirates here, Afghanistan, Albania, and all sorts of countries are going to be available to you here. If you don't know the code, if you just select the country here, or if you select the whole name of the country, if you hit finalize, it's going to update the field and enter the value that you were looking for. Here we're going to change it back to the US. Here let's define the language key. The language key will be English, and the currency will be the US dollar. Now we have defined our company inside SAP, and we can move forward to the company code creation in the next lecture.